So in this video I'm going to talk about random variable. So random variable is kind of any variable whose value depends upon the outcome of an experiment. Whose value depends upon outcome of an experiment. Okay. So suppose there is an experiment. Okay, there is some experiment E which is going to produce outcome. So there can be number of outcomes and number of outcomes that can be possible. So x at any one experiment or at each experiment can have different values, or each experiment the outcome can have different outcomes, and x can have any one outcome at any time, any particular time of an experiment. So therefore x is known as variable, which is random variable, because experiments can give you a random value, and this x also can store this random value. So due to this reason only it is known as random variable, and its output depend upon the output of an experiment. So this is what random variable is. Now let me explain you what is population. This population. So see, the population and the random variables are related to each other in some way. So suppose for an experiment x, for a random variable, a random variable can have outcomes. It can have any outcomes. So suppose I roll a dice. So the outcome can be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are 6 outcomes we can have. So if x can have any value. Suppose if I roll dice one time, so x can have either value 1, 2, 3, 4 or 5. It can have any one of the value. Again, if you roll the dice again we can get any other values. So again x can have any value like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? So you can see that the value of x depends upon what? Depends upon the experiment. Due to this reason only we say that x is a random variable. And now coming to the population, all the possible values of x, right? So what is x? All the possible outcome of an experiment. So let me write here. All the possible outcome of an experiment is known as what? Population. Is population. All the possible outcome of an experiment, or we can say all the possible outcome of experiment is what? X, random variable. So all the possible outcome of random variable. What is outcome? Outcome is random variable. So all the possible outcome of random variable. So all the possible outcome of random variable is known as population. So let me give you one example here. The possible outcome. So suppose I roll a dice, 2 dice, okay, and we are interested in the sum. We are interested in sum, that the sum of 2 dice we get. So if you roll 2 dice, then there can be 6 into 6 combinations, right? That is 36 combinations can be possible. There can 1 1 1 2 1 3 1 4 1 5 1 6. Same manner you will get 2 1 2 2. Similarly 3 1 3 2. Like you can have 6 1 6 2. Like there is 6 6. So how many here is 6, and how many row length of row is 6. The total number of combinations possible is 6 into 6 equal to 36. Total 36 possible pairs are possible, or you can say that total 36 number of outcomes can be possible when you roll 2 dice. Like you can say the sum of it is, what is x? Let us define x as a sum of values of two dice of an experiment. Okay, so these are the 36 number of outcomes. So you can see one, and there can be some duplicates there also. The population can contain duplicates. Therefore, we are interested in finding what? We are interested in finding the distribution of the population. Okay, so we can have, so distribution means what? The number of outcomes, the number of, we are interested in that how much proportion or the number of outcomes each value can get. Number of outcomes, number of times each variable is occurring, each variable or each values are occurring. So that is distribution is. Okay na, like this can have any distribution x. So x can take any one of the values, okay, from the experiment, and these are the all the possible values of x, and it can have any number of, like here we can say it is count. The count of any variable can differ, and there can be duplicates in the total population. So in simple language, what is population? The collection of all the possible collection. Remember, the collection, not set. I will not say set, because set in mathematical terms does not contain any duplicates values. So it is really confusing terms, or it really confused me to use the word set. So I will say collection of all the possible outcomes of an experiment, or all the possible outcome of a random variable is known as population. So this is what random variable and population is. So thank you.